Hi, my beautiful awakened souls. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sitara. I'm here to do another reading for you. I'm going to clear the energies. I hope you can find whatever you came here to look for in these cards in this reading. Someone is holding back. The Hierophant is upside down, holding back from divine guidance. Someone is receiving divine guidance, and they want to hold back to the little they have. Might have some sort of manipulation of energies at play here. Someone is waiting for their ships to arrive. Yeah, someone is completely confused. Their secrets are out. Fake empress. Yeah. And a fake emperor. There's a masculine and feminine energy that they're not in their highest getting behavior, highest selves, but something that was between them has spilled out. Some sort of energy that they were carrying. The secrets is out. Someone that wanted your happy family to be upside down, I'm hearing. Yeah. King of Wands. Might have something to do. What? I was going to say fire sign. The cards are flying. Yeah. Someone wanted to mess with your stability, or they tried. Ace of Pentacles is in the bottom. Someone that made you feel stuck, tied down, either with their words or emotional manipulations. I'm getting that. Justice is here. God is here to make things right. Some sort of communication. Queen of Cups. Emotional offer from a Queen of Cups is coming. It's divinely guided because you feel, or someone feels, all is lost. Everything is done. But this person fails to see that there are two cups behind them, still standing. There's other ways of doing things. There's other ways of looking at a situation. Yeah. This person needs to let bygones be bygones and turn around. Do things separately or differently. Judgment. On some sort of gossip, backbiting. Some people... Yeah, a few individuals were gathered to go against you. But they're under the judgment of God now. They're stuck. A person that made you feel stuck, they're stuck. Their wheel of fortune, their wheel of whatever they were trying to do is not turning for them. Because they're untruthful. The Tower. Something major either happened to these people or person, or it will. It's on its way. This person might have made you feel exhausted, but you're holding on to what you have. I'm hearing faith. I'm hearing abilities. Your gifts, everything you've achieved is with you after this tower hits. Judgment brought the tower. Good. Let's see. Whoa. Yeah. If you were worried about, you know, your money might be tied with someone that's lovers. Yeah. Or someone will offer you emotional fulfillment while you thought there was none. Well, you know, you felt abundant, but by yourself alone. Yeah. Some sort of gift because of this person, this backstabber, made you feel that you are unhappy. There is, backbitings are gonna stop. Yeah. But there is a person that felt like repeatedly they can defeat you. The Sun, Leo, the Lion, King of Pentacles. Some sort of change is coming. Yeah. It may be small, but is significant. I'm getting that because the Sun is right here. Queen of Wands, Page of Wands. Let's see. Yeah, someone that acted like they're strong and godly. The illusions have disappeared. They were under some sort of huge delusion that they thought, you know, they were it type of person, and they're not. Something came down crashing. Yeah, now they want to offer some sort of truce, something. They want to be godly, I'm hearing. They want to appear spiritual, but they're not. They're far from it. King of Pentacles. This person only thinks about their money. Let's just see why. Yeah, the confusion is gone. Whoever that needs to make a decision, either you have or you will very soon. Yeah, something about the devil energy that made you feel stuck, tied down to them, their thoughts, their way of doing things. I'm getting like this person always advised you of certain things that they're not even capable of for themselves, you know, those type of people. Like their marriage is falling apart, but they'll give you some sort of advice how to deal with your relationship. But they're in this, yeah, someone's moving on. Cancer might be significant towards their happiness, towards their God-given gifts, God-given blessings. Someone is going confidently towards their happiness. Yeah. Towards what they want in life. Enough of other people's manipulations and illusions and delusions. Ace of Wands. Some passionate offer will come to you. Some passionate offers coming towards you. Let's see, anything else? Yeah. Matches the last reading. You felt backstabbed. by these people or individual. But you're taking a leap of faith. Towards who? King of Cups, a water sign. Yeah, and the truth. Queen of Swords. Someone is going towards the truth. The truth of whatever the situation you may find yourself. You're going towards the truth. And this Ace of Cups. You will find your happiness. The truth came right under the Chariot. I don't normally read the cards that way, but I couldn't help it. Spirit made me see that clear. Yeah. Someone that was in their ego, that wanted everything for themselves, kept emotions for themselves. This is upside down. Some sort of truth you're going to say, or you will demand, or came out that put this person right back to, you know, depleted their ego. I think yeah, someone's ego is absolutely depleted, carrying the burdens now. Lying, stealing, cheating, running away. Yeah, moving on. The angels are stopping this person in their tracks. Yeah. Someone's just, you may be working on your craft while everything else is happening. Yeah, you're keeping your head down. Or these people thought you were just too busy within what you're doing, that whatever plots and plans they were doing, that you would not recognize, but God shows that to you. I'm getting that you're an empath. So people don't know that you're paying attention, but you stand for the truth. You go towards the truth. Yeah. Angels are with you. Wow. Yeah, the cycle has changed. A cycle of delusions. Yeah. A Hierophant. Yeah. Some sort of cycle that someone tried to put an end towards your progress, I'm getting. That's changed. The death is upside down. Coming towards you with some sort of truth. Fast. Some sort of truth is coming towards you very, very fast. Let me see. These cards have like a really great glare. So, yeah. You are wide awake. They tried to put your whole plans, your whole livelihood, your spirituality, yeah, your home upside down. You're awake to that. Some sort of awakening has happened or will happen. Yeah, you're not worried about the past. You're not worried about, oops. You're not worried about what's lost. You're looking for the future, your future. Let's see. Yeah. You're worried about your stability, the King of Pentacles and King of Cups. I think you have disconnected emotionally with someone. And it's because I think it's one of those sayings that if I cut you off, most likely you handed me the scissors. I'm getting that. Someone, you had no choice but to emotionally disconnect with this person. This person that does not believe in the higher power, is not actually going anywhere. Yeah. This person's not going anywhere. What about you? Let's see. Yeah. You have turned your back on this situation. You're looking for new horizon. Yeah. The world is in your hands. You can make anything possible for yourself. And that's what you are going to do. You are self-reliant. You will rely on yourself. You're done with, as soon as I said that, with the liar, there's a death. To the juggling. Yeah. The Emperor. But you're done with people trying to steal, lie, and cheat. Mostly manipulation. Universe put a death to that. Just because they don't believe in universe, God, their higher selves, they don't believe in it, it doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. And that universe will not interfere. Angels will not interfere just because they think that, you know. Just because you don't believe in karma, it doesn't mean that karma doesn't exist. And they're not going to get their, you know, you get what I'm saying. So here's a Queen of Cups. Might be a water sign. This maybe, yeah. Stuck. Self-imposed imprisonment. King of Pentacles. It's basically confirmation of the last cards. If I keep getting that, I'll switch cards. Page of Cups. Some small sort of offer is coming towards you. Someone wants to offer you some sort of small gesture of kindness. Yeah. Not equal give and take. Someone's not in their star quality. Someone is someone that acts manipulative. Yeah, only worried about themselves. You'll receive a passionate message. What happened to these cards? Yeah. You will. While these people sit and watch. They can stay in their funk while you go towards your happiness. I'll just get these cards because it was just confirmation. I think, yeah. Let's see. New card. Three of Pentacles. Four of Swords. Someone tried to... It is, all I'm getting is manipulation. Manipulation of energies. Magic might be involved. Someone tried to do some sort of magic. I'm hearing maybe even in your house. If you've invited someone. That, yeah. Two of Cups. Mirror magic, I'm getting that. I don't know. The High Priestess. King of Swords. King of Wands and Nine of Wands. Yeah. Something about two male energies. Okay. One is in their just sexual fire energy, and the other one stands for the truth, or it might be this one person, both of them. Okay. The High Priestess. Someone is just going towards what they want, but they're exhausted. Maybe because, you know, others are doing manipulation of energies. Some sort of Two of Cups that you have. Some sort of happiness that you have. Might have something to do with your looks. Mirror, I don't know why I'm getting mirror magic from that card. You're going towards your Ten of Cups. Even though exhausted, you will have the ultimate happiness, ultimate joy, ultimate abundance. Something about bee and cat might be significant. You have strength on the bottom of the card. Yeah, Page of Cups. Slowly but surely, you're going towards your destiny. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles. Let's see what our angel messages are. You've came out of a lot of up and down emotional roller coaster with these people or situation. It can be job, put it wherever it fits. Angel advice, please. Angels advice. Oh, I have these other cards too. I'll just get the angels advice first. I don't want to come out. One. Make a commitment. Yeah. So if you're wondering if you're in a relationship, you're not sure, you know what to do, angels are saying make a commitment to whatever aspects of your life. You can take a picture. If you feel, yeah. So I hear one thing and the cards say another sometimes. Let's see what are number one, purity. Number one might be significant. 53, 52. Okay. Wounded healer. Yeah, nurture. Let's see. A couple of other cards. 26. Someone might be significant. Okay. Revival and acceptance. 44. Might be significant. I'll get near future. Healing energy is coming towards you. Your near future. Then we had the wounded healer. So sometimes we learn how to heal because of being wounded. So here's a let go card. Let go of whoever, banishing the curse. That's amazing. I said earlier about that manipulation of energies and curses and whatever else the wicked do. Okay, I'm going to get a couple of cards, yes or no. So I'll get to ask your questions, please. 1, 2. Your first one is a no. Second one is a yes. That's, yeah. So what I'm getting, I don't want to confuse you. That's your wishes, no and a yes. But what I get from these cards is you're not going to be worried about finances, and some sort of change and truth is coming towards you. With that said, I hope this reading gave you some sort of information you were looking for. I will do another reading for you soon. God bless, stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.